So, this is a moment where I say, do as I say, not as I do. Hello friends, welcome to Thursday's video. So today we're doing the coaster set with the coaster holder. You know, originally I was going to mix up like 400 milliliters, but I really don't think I need that much. So I think I'm going to go with 300 milliliters for this set. And I wanted to do geode style again, attempt it. So I'm going to pour a small amount of the, this is purple. It's a beautiful dark purple, just around the outside edges and also on here. And then for the rest, I'm going to do tea green and then clear in the middle. Hopefully it works. Hopefully it turns out looking cool. We'll see. I was in like a Beetlejuice kind of feeling. I'm still in spooky season, man. And it hadn't even come up yet. Anyway, so that's the plan for today. I think 300 milliliters should be enough. We shall see. But yeah, let's give these molds a try, shall we? All right, let's get started. Alright friends, so before I demold this, I have just a little confession. I done fucked up. So I didn't really look at this mold very well before I poured it. And I thought about it about 8 hours after I poured it, and I realized that the reason why the resin was doming so much is because these are supposed to be free and clear of resin. So I came down here like 8 o'clock last night, and I tried to cut out the extra resin that I poured. And then I said, to hell with it, I will just pour another one. So this is a moment where I say, do as I say, not as I do, because that's the result. I mean, it wasn't working. And so I said, to hell with it, and I poured another one. So let's go ahead and demold the correct one. And let's see how the colors turned out. I really like what I'm seeing. Obviously, this is the top, by the way. If you get this mold set and you pour this particular mold, just realize that this is going to be the top, not the underside, okay? Okay. And so that's what it looks like. I added a lot more purple this time, but it didn't seem to come through as much. So maybe if I do something like this with a couple colors again, I'll probably pour some of the darker color, then the lighter color, and then go in and add more of the darker on top. But this is what I'm really just excited about, is these coasters. So let's see how they turned out. Okay. Well, this side did exactly what I wanted it to. This side did not, but they're still real pretty. Are they supposed to fit in there? Okay. I'm gonna have to look at the picture again. Very, very pretty. And see how they're... Bro, I'm telling you, in the picture, it looked like they fit in. So, and they're not sitting like that, so I don't know. Let's just do it like that, I guess. Alright, let's look at the circles. Wow. That one came out a little bit differently, because it's like the purple got pushed completely up and out. Huh. Okay. Well, hey, the circle ones fit, so that's good. Yeah. Okay. So, let's do it this way. There we go. These are bugging me out, bro. Oh, where's my phone? Let me look at this picture here. I'm on my aim zone. Okay. So let's see. Uh-huh. Alright. Maybe we need to dial back the brightness. There we go. So there it is. You notice the squares aren't in there. And again, I have it right there, and right there, and right there, and right there. Don't put the squares in at all. So basically, as a resin crafter, you are supposed to be able to pour 4 pretty identical round coasters in 2 separate pours, which if you are a resin crafter, you know is near impossible. However, I do actually like these square coasters sitting like this. I think it gives it kind of like an abstract look. So that's on me for not looking at that picture a little closer. But also, I'm not mad at it. I do wish that the green was a little bit more green in this one, you know, in comparison. I do wish that perhaps I had poured the green first and then the purple, because this is the way I was hoping that it would do, you know, with the purple coming inside. But, you know, they work, and it's a cute set. It's a very cute set. Yeah, okay. Well, the molds do what they say they're going to do, what they claim they're going to do. I still really enjoy the set, so, yeah, I don't know. Other than that, y'all let me know what you think about the set and the colors. I like the colors, I don't know. I don't know. I think this thing right here, I should have listened to that and decided that it was going to be a disaster. So anyway, I should change my name to the Disaster Artist, because it seems like I have a hell of a lot more fails than I do wins. Anyway, that is today's video. If you enjoyed it, I guess, let me know. Hit the thumbs up button, really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new to this mad world, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.